Alright, welcome back to Krokaru Chaneru, and today I'm going to be showing you through my screen how to make an online booking for your vaccine appointment. So I know last time I did cover the whole vaccination process, from getting your letter, getting the documents, what to do. I mainly covered how to make a booking through calling the clinics, but today I'm going to be showing you the online way to make your vaccine appointment. So just in case your Japanese isn't great or you're a little bit nervous about having to call, there's another way. So please stay with us and I'll show you how to make an online booking. So the process that I'm going to be covering is for Itabashi Ward, where I live. So it might be a little bit different, as in the website for your particular city might be a little bit different, but I still feel that it would be very helpful if I were to show you where to click and how to do it. So please stick with us, and I'll be showing you how to do it.
Okay, so open up Google and type in Itabashi City Hall. And then once you do, this is going to pop up. So please select the first option. Okay, and then once you do, click on the three lines to your right and select foreign language. And then once you do, scroll down and you will be able to translate the page to English. And then click OK. Okay, and this page is going to pop up, so click the second option, novel coronavirus vaccine reservation. Okay, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, until you come to this part. So select the second one, which is it's received at a group vaccination meeting. Okay, and then select the group vaccination meeting place internet reservation option. Okay, and then you can translate to English. So click on the three lines again to your right, and then select English. Okay, so it will translate your page. Okay, so once it's translated, please enter your vaccine ticket number. And then your password is your date of birth, is an 8-digit number. Okay, and then click on the agree terms and conditions of use. Okay, and then you can log in. All right, so once you do, click on scroll down a little bit and then click on new reservation. Okay, so you can search by site. Okay, so then a number of centers are going to pop up, so you can basically select which one is closest to you or accepting reservations. Okay, and then once you do, you can select one, for example this one, select make a reservation. You can select the vaccine type, and then you can select the date and time. Unfortunately for this center, it was fully booked for, the whole time was fully booked, but basically that's the process. So you can then select the date and the time if it allows you to.